Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to give you an information on the report of project and task. Click on the side menu. Under the reports, you will be able to see project and task. There, you can see the team members working on specific project, task assigned status and start time, end time of that specific project. You can click on the generate report. Here, you are landed to a screen where you can see the project name. Any task if has been used by the user to log the hours at, the status, the start date, end date and the estimated hours and how much they invested hours. Further, if you click on this drop down, you will be able to see that this is the member name who has been assigned this specific task and what was the status of this task and what was the start date, end date and how much time he has invested in this specific hours of the specific task. This detailed information can be filtered out via the specific filters. You can have the data sent via the report on a specific email address, have it scheduled at a time, and you can even download as a PDF and a CSV format. You can even select the specific member name to have the data selected at a date range which suits you. This was all about the project and task report. Thank you.